Git is a tool that will track every file and every subdirectory of a particular project. Git is agnostic to the type of project or folder you are tracking. Your folder might contain application source code, the photos of an album, the pages of a book, etc. Git does not care. At the end of the day, when viewed as raw data, your project, regardless of how you may feel, is just a collection of files and subfolders. Git will track every edit that is made to every file and every subfolder that is added or removed from a project. Every time an edit is made, Git will track what was changed, who made the change, when the change was made, and why the change was made. Git does this via a local database that stores all the snapshots of your project at different points in time. This local database is stored in the .git folder at the root of your project. I have created a demo project called Tracks that holds a songs.txt file in it with my 3 favorite songs. Last by Burna Boy, What by Samwell, and Bohemian Rhapsody by Queen. Assuming we have Git installed, this is the Git command we would issue to start tracking the way this list changes over time. Now that we have issued the git init command, we can see that Git has added a .git folder to the root of our project. The hooks folder is where we can specify custom scripts that will be triggered by Git on our behalf at different points. The info folder is where some high-level metadata regarding our project will be stored. The objects folder is where all the snapshots of our project will be stored. This is the database I was referring to. The refs folder is where we can put human-readable names of the different snapshots of our project. The config file can hold some configuration that will change the way Git interacts with our project. The description file is where we can put a human-readable description of what our project is about. And finally, the head file is where we specify the active snapshot we are looking at of our project. Now that we've had an overview of the .git folder, let's take a closer look at the objects folder, or the objects database. Inside of it, we should see 2 folders that are both empty. The reason why they are both empty is because we have not yet taken a snapshot of our project. The following commands I will now write may seem bizarre, but all they are doing is taking a snapshot of our project. Now that we've taken our first snapshot, we should see some more folders inside of our objects database, particularly folders that are named with 2 characters and that hold files that are named with a random series of 38 characters. These files are where the snapshot we have just created has been stored.